Tai Chi for seniors is a wonderful anti-aging practice. One of the most important benefits for senior citizens is that Tai Chi helps improving balance and prevent fall. The program is designed for individuals who have a desire to learn Tai Chi for improving their health, balance, immune function, and reduce life stress. The course offers full instruction in the most effective way. The Tai Chi Handbook provided here is for you to understand how and why Tai Chi offers great benefits to our body, mind, and the brain. The first video is to help you to build a Tai Chi foundation. That will help you to learn the form easily later. Practice every day is extremely helpful. After building foundation, you will learn Tai Chi for seniors form. It may take some time to memorize the movement, but don't worry, you'll learn well. The bonus Qigong video can be used for daily practice. Through daily practice, you will gain great benefits and feel good.